Histology of gastrointestinal system. Stomach. Grossly, the stomach has 4 parts: cardia, fundus, body, pylorus. Histologically, the stomach has 3 parts: cardia, fundic region, pylorus. Fundic region means fundus plus body. Fundic region produces the acid in the stomach. Acid is produced by parietal cells or oxyntic cells. Parietal cells produce hydrochloric acid, HCl, intrinsic factor, for absorption of vitamin B12. Parietal cells are predominantly seen in fundic region of stomach, fundus greater than body. This acid produced in the fundus has the tendency to move into the lower esophagus, leading to sub-ulceration in the lower esophagus, or can also produce ulceration in the proximal duodenum. Therefore, the cardia and pylorus have higher number of mucus secreting cells to neutralize the acid in the stomach to prevent any damage to the esophagus and proximal duodenum respectively. Less number of parietal cells, less production of acid. The esophagus and the proximal duodenum have submucosal glands. Unique feature. The stomach mucosa has gastric pits which are continuous with gastric glands. Isthmus, which is the junction between gastric pit upper part and gastric gland lower part. Parts of gastric gland: neck, body, base or fundus of gastric gland. 2 main cells in upper part of gastric gland. Parietal cells produce HCl and intrinsic factor. Mucous neck cells produce the mucus. 2 main cells in the lower half of gastric gland towards the base or fundus of gastric gland. Chief cells secrete pepsinogen and gastric lipase. G cells, neuroendocrine cells, secrete gastrin hormone. Parietal cell, also known as oxyntic cell. It has a fried egg appearance with central spherical nucleus. It is eosinophilic cell, more pinkish. It is a cuboidal cell. Chief cell, also known as peptic cell or zymogen cell. It is basophilic cell, more bluish. It is columnar cell with an oval and basal nucleus. Stem cell. They repair gastric glands after any damage like gastritis. They can multiply and replace any of the cells in gastric glands. They are mostly found in isthmus. Isthmus greater than base. Small intestine. Parts of small intestine: duodenum, jejunum, ileum. 3 unique modifications of small intestine: Lica circularis, villi, microvilli. These modifications helps in increasing the surface area of small intestine for absorption. These modifications are absent in proximal duodenum and terminal ileum. These modifications are maximally seen in jejunum. Important information: the structure of villi in jejunum, tall and leaf-shaped. Ileum, short and blunt. Unique features of various parts of small intestine: proximal duodenum, Brunner glands, submucosal glands. Terminal ileum, paired patches in the lamina propria, lymphoid aggregations in the mucosa or mold. Jejunum, maximum number of plica circularis, villi and microvilli. No Brunner glands or paired patches are seen. Diagram above is showing all 3 parts of small intestine with a unique feature. You can appreciate all 4 layers of the tube in 3 parts: mucosa, submucosa, muscularis externa, peritoneal mucosa. Main parts are duodenum, submucosal gland, aggregated lymphoid nodules, jejunum, serosa, muscularis externa, submucosa, mucosa, muscularis mucosa. Submucosal glands in the duodenum are called Brunner glands.